Hi, I'm Annie Warmke, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about how to do laundry in a much better, much healthier kind of way. And this is the way we do it in the Earthship, and it works great for us. It's inexpensive, it's healthy, and simple. One thing that's really important to consider is how you live your everyday life around the water and what you put into it. So for example, when I do laundry, I'm not thinking too much about what I'm introducing into the water system, because I don't really want to have perfumes or Procter & Gamble products, because I don't really use those things. So what I'm interested in is using natural things that are not going to cause my body to react. And one of the first things that I did many years ago was I heard about washing machine magnets. So these are my washing machine magnets, and this set I bought 14 years ago because something happened to the ones I had when we moved here. And they attach, because they're magnetized like that, into the drum of the washing machine. And I have a front loader washing machine, and so I don't use laundry detergent. These cause a chemical reaction that cause the dirt to come and separate away from the material of the whatever clothing it is, and they do get clean. Now, if I have something like today, I had a raspberry stain on my pants. So I came in and I took some vinegar, so just any old white vinegar, no use to pay extra for apple cider vinegar, and I sprayed some of that onto the stain, and then I washed it. And that didn't quite get it out. So then I just took some dishwashing soap like this, any old brand, and I put some of that on and rubbed it, and the stain came out. So then I didn't even really need to use the whole washing cycle, because I could rinse the pants out. So the way I do the laundry is the magnets are always in the washing machine. I just put everything in. I put it on the rinse cycle, so I'm only using about 4 gallons of water. And then it just runs, I mean, I don't know, it takes 10 minutes or less for the washing machine to run its cycle, and then it spins everything dry as it can, and then I can put it in the dryer, or I can hang it outside, which is my preference if the weather is good. One of the other things that I can do if something is really stained and the vinegar or the dishwashing detergent doesn't work, and I'm not advocating for 20-mule team borax, but it's the only brand that you can find often just in a hardware store. And so I'll make a little paste. I'll put the 20-mule team borax onto the spot, and I'll add some water and make some paste, and I'll take my fingers and rub it into the stain, and it'll almost always take it out if it hasn't set for too long. These are all things that really don't impact the bacteria balance in the wetlands, and that's really what we're going for, is we don't want to mess up the balance. And really, balance is everything that we're looking for in most things in life. We're not using enough of this either in the dishwashing to wash dishes or in taking out a stain to impact the wetland either, because what we're doing is what we say, dilution is the solution. So everything is getting diluted and is not a problem. So that's why when that water gets to the end of the wetland, it's totally potable. It's because we're not really introducing things that are going to disturb that balance.